James back with 360 and back. And in this short iGuide tutorial, I'm going to go over how to change the room names in your iGuide floor plans. If you are familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, you can simply type in choosing measurements, standards, and room types. If you're not familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, please go back and watch my previous videos. That way you can receive step-by-step instructions on how to do this, just like what I'm about to show you. So once you're logged into your iGuide portal account, you're going to go ahead and find the tour that you need to make the changes to, and you're going to click this blue edit button. And once you clicked on the blue edit button, you're going to go down, and then you're going to see your floor plan right here to your left. For instance, that you need to change a room that the iGuide team got incorrectly. All you're going to do is just click on this little orange pencil, and you'll see that it's called the family room. And say, for instance, this is not a family room. Say this is something else, such as a reading room. So just type in reading room. You do have a couple different options. Font size, you can select large, medium, or small. For the most cases, I like to leave it at large. That way people can still read it. Here you have the room dimensions and the square footage of the room. And I would recommend just leave those on. And all you have to do is just push OK. And there you go. Once you have pushed OK, please don't forget that you need to hit the save button. That way it will save this edit that you just made. And that is it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to send me an email.